Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to create a project as a draft within the project application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on the Global Create button and click on the New Project option. Here, the user can enter all the mandatory fields. The groups present within the Microsoft Teams app for the employee can be linked here, and all the documents that are uploaded within this project can be viewed within that particular team that is integrated with this particular project. Once the mandatory fields are filled, we are navigated to the planning board where we need to add an item. Once done, in order to save this particular project as a draft and not move it to the SHS stage, the user can simply click on the back button and click yes go ahead for exit without saving pop-up. And the particular project is saved in the status of draft, where the user can still go in and edit the particular details about the project. This is significant because only in the draft and delivery mandate stage, all the particulars about the project can be having access to be edited. Once the project moves to the execution stage, only limited amount of items can be edited within the project. These will be covered in a later video. Thanks for watching.